Howdy guys. So I just wanted to show you real quick how bad things can go um, if you open these units and don't quite know the best way to do it. So first off, we can see their point of attacks was here and here with the screwdriver. I see some pry marks up here too, which up here is the best place to go to is actually at the top. Here and here is the absolute worst, especially this side. This side is where the main processor is. Okay, so we're going to open it up. The customer did let me know that he knocked off a few resistors, he said, and he put them back, but wanted me to check them out, which that was the first thing I wanted to do was inspect the resistors that got knocked off. So let's go ahead and go under the microscope here. And, um, nothing too bad. We can see that. Let me try to get my focus right here. All right, so we can see there's a capacitor missing here. I don't think anything went here. I can see this large capacitor here was one of the ones that come off that they put back. And then this little resistor here, it come off and they tried to put back. And I'm like, okay, well, that's no big deal. I can fix that. But then I started noticing these little balls. See these little balls? This little ball here? You see these little balls on all three of these legs? And look, we see a pattern. We see the little solder balls over everything. You see this? We look over here, we look over here. You see all of this? There's a capacitor missing there, which I don't care too much about missing capacitors, but I do care about these solder balls. And even over here, we see the solder balls. Even all the way over here, we see solder balls. So I assume they heated the case up with a, like a paint scraping gun, the heat guns for paint scraping. I assume they must have heated it up extremely hot, hoping that that was how you release them. But this adhesive, it doesn't really work too well with heat. I mean, it doesn't. There's no advantage to using heat to get these open. But anyway, I'm missing a resistor there. All right, there's some more solder balls. Now, the solder balls themselves are not a problem. You can just go scrape them off. You can ignore them. I mean, oh look, there's another capacitor. So all this stuff is probably loose from being heated up and the solder getting liquid. How come my focus is not working? So all this stuff is, just randomly loose through here from where the solder was, liquid. But the biggest problem is, if you notice, this big chip here is a BGA chip. Now we know if we have all this solder here that was going molten and bubbling up like this, we know that it was hot enough to do the same thing in this BGA chip. And uh, we can't see a lot, but we can see some of the balls already. See in there? We can see that some of the balls already went together. We can see right here that this side actually went down. It squeezed in. And if we look over here, you'll see this side completely got squeezed in. So under this BGA chip is a massive mess. This chip has to be removed, it has to be reballed, and it would have to be resoldered. And that doesn't even cover all this other stuff that's probably messed up from the case being heated up. Like a lot of this stuff is going to be loose or crack joints, not like this one. You see, this is barely on there. See, I can even wiggle it. See that? And there's no telling how many of this stuff is like that. So, you know, I'm not going to work on this. I'm not going to reball this. It's the cost that it would cost me to have to reball this chip and to go through all of these and replace all this stuff. Um, it's easier to buy a whole new unit. So unfortunately, I'm gonna let my customer know. But I just wanted to let you guys, have a little bit of a warning that heating the cases to get into them is a bad idea. I don't know what repair place ever has recommended that. Um, I know a lot of DIY people, they always think they want to heat the case up, thinking that's going to help it, loosen up. But it does not. You definitely do not want to heat your cases up to try to open them.